Hey guys, quick video here today. I'm just going to show you how to swap out your old follower from your PSA Micro Dagger magazine. I know the earlier versions had issues with the last round hold open, so PSA has a new follower, should be the final version of it. I know there was a couple different ones, one that almost looks like 3D printed, this black one that has a little 9mm on it, and then now this red one that I've had really good luck with, but I know the new magazines should have those included. But if you have an old one, early version, I'm gonna show you how to swap that out right now. You're gonna wanna take a punch, just push that floor plate in, slide that base plate off, remove that spring, pop the old, actually mine's broken, old broken follower. See that? Take that, just throw that in the trash. Put your new one on, and then just insert that spring back in. Floor plate should lock in, and then put your factory base plate back in. There you go. Now you got your improved follower, and you should not have issues with your last round hold open anymore. I mean, you guys can also swap this base plate out with one of our aluminum base plates, and then you won't have any issues with the base plates flexing anymore either. So that should be a really reliable magazine now. Thank you.